Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Charlemagne, Quebec, is a small but vibrant town, located just northeast of Montreal, right along the Rivière des Prairies. Charlemagne is a quiet, residential town with a friendly community feel, and it has a few special claims to fame that make it unique. Charlemagne was officially founded in the late 19th century, around 1898, but people were living here even earlier as settlers moved out from Montreal. Over time, Charlemagne grew from a small village into the cozy town we see today. One thing that's really cool about Charlemagne is that it's the birthplace of Celine Dion, one of the most famous singers in the world. Celine grew up here before going on to become an international superstar. Many people still feel a connection to her, and are proud to call Charlemagne her hometown.
Very much.
Because it's close to Montreal, many people live here and commute to the city. It's also close to the L'Assomption River and has easy access to beautiful natural spots and trails nearby. For those who love the outdoors, there are some lovely parks here where you can relax and enjoy nature. The Rivière des Prairies is nearby, providing nice views of the water. The area is great for a peaceful walk or bike ride, and you'll often see families and locals enjoying the open spaces. Charlemagne might be small, but it's filled with character and has a special place in Quebec's culture. Thanks for joining us to explore this charming town.
Thanks for watching!